So the inside surface is now sculpted, and that has turned out just perfectly. Really, really happy with the result I got there. And I have kind of a renewed sense of confidence in the Bedrail CNC with the addition of this metal coupler. So next step, I'm going to take this off, flip it over, and do the F-holes. And the F-holes are now cut. This one turned out just beautifully. I'm very happy with the result of that. A little bit of sanding around there, and there'll be some purling that goes all around this perimeter. On this one, the rotor had a little tear out here, so I lost my curved edge here. I'll have to do a little bit of repair work there to restore that curve, and then the purling will go on top of that. In terms of thickness, we're probably a little over 6 millimeters at the F-hole. I'm going to leave it that thickness at the F-hole, and I'll thin it out around the edge just by sanding. So I'm going to take it down, use some heavy grit sandpaper to thin it out a little bit at the edge, and then we'll kind of give it a little bit of tuning as we go. So that'll be kind of a long and painstaking process, but we'll do the bulk of that off camera. In the meantime, I'm going to get together the bottom blank. The bottom of this is going to be made out of maple. So I'll get together some maple bits and then start carving out the bottom. The bottom is going to be exactly the same shape as the top, but lacking, of course, the F-holes. So I'll come back when that's underway and we have a little bit more things of interest on the top itself. Our maple blank for the bottom of the Archtop Guitar is now mounted on the router, the Bedrail CNC. So I'm ready to do a planing operation to even up this side. Then I'm going to flip it this way, plane it, and then start carving out the top side. So I'm going to call that a video for today. I won't bore you with all of the cutting out of the bottom, but I'll come back when that's done. In the meantime, I have a couple other projects that I need to be getting to. So I'll be doing this kind of in the background, and I'll bring you along for a little project that I'm doing, a little planter stand. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.